Dear students, happy morning. Hope you all doing good. Today we are going to discuss about the last topic of the unit 1, that is testing of machine learning. Okay, how we are going to do testing in machine learning algorithms, right? And the first in this slide, the testing machine learning algorithm. Before going to see in detail whatever the component or device or a new innovation we are making, that form it should be tested before coming to the end user. Okay, this is how the process could be. So the same way we are doing in machine learning algorithms also. So you can see this image, you can see this first picture, and here we are studying. We can have the day-to-day life example. We people are studying here, and how our studying capability is analyzed based upon the evaluation process. For that we will do some that means what, we will write some examinations or some oral questions. We will answer for some oral questions. Based upon that, our studying capacity is analyzed. Okay, this is how here machine learning algorithms also going to be tested. And here training a learner. So if the learner is not come to up to the mark, again the training will be provided. So the first part is test, learner, training, output, and the output will be again evaluated by the tester. So this image also showing here it is, if the test only if will be fail or pass, if it is okay or not. If it is not okay, then what we will do, again we will make it as a training process, and up to the come to the our mark, and again we will make the test process, and if it satisfy for the target, and they will get pass. Okay, this is how evaluation will be happened. So usually the testing, the process, the definition of testing, we can say the process where the performance of a fully trained model is evaluated on a testing set. Okay, next. Usually, the testing of machine learning algorithms, it is having the three main categories. The first one is unit test, second one regression test, third one integration test. Okay, unit test. So the name itself, we can get the idea, come to the idea, that is unit. That means what? Unit by unit, the block or device, or we can say the algorithm, it will be tested. So here the program is broken down into blocks. Blocks are segments, and each element, each unit is tested separately. So this is called unit test. Okay, so in this part we can say it is the analysis part. We will analyze each unit by unit we will analyze, and we will test it. That is unit test. And coming to the regression test, they cover already tested software to see if it does not suddenly break. That means what? The regression, the literal meaning of regression, it is already grown, that is already trained software. We will randomly check it whether it is perfectly going or not. That is called regression test. Okay, now coming to the integration test, again the name itself, it is showing integration, that is cumulative part. This type of testing observes how multiple components of the program works together. So here in the first step, it's the unit test, that is analysis part we have made, and this regression test, it is randomly picking and testing again whether the already tested software is working properly or not. Again coming to the integration test, what it shows, it is the synthesis part, we can say. What it is synthesis? Integrating of all individual unit, and then we will do the whole test, that is called the integration test. This is how the testing process will be carried out in the machine learning algorithms. Next. So here initially we have the data set. So training set, testing set, validation set. Training set, what does it mean? In the period of training. So we are training the machines from the human intelligence. We are training the machines. In the training sets itself, we can, the initial part itself, we can identify whether the machines are able to cope up with that training model. That is the training set. Coming to the data set, that is a testing set. After completion of the training set, again the testing set will be happened in the testing period, and if it's okay, then it will come to the validation set. Validation sets, it's before going to the conclusion, that is package. Before packaging we will do the validation process, that is validation set. After completion of these sets, again it will come to the model development, model evaluation. Here validation sets, after that also model evaluation, testing, model development, training set, model development. Finally come to the model evaluation, that is the packaged, that is full product. If it is product, we can say it is a product, or if it is algorithm, or we can have the fully customized algorithm based upon the application. And here I have given the link for your detailed analysis of testing of machine learning algorithms. Thank you. Have a nice day.